Welcome to Soul for Space. Remember, our content is purely educational, aiming to empower you with knowledge. But your financial decisions are your responsibility. Once upon a time, art was a privilege. Only a select few could venture into its world. Dealers, galleries, auction houses held the keys, making it tough for many to explore and appreciate art. But the tide has turned. Digital art and NFTs have flung the doors wide open. Art is now accessible to anyone, anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. Our founder, the solo artist at Soul for Space, is a flare of this change. Despite his disability, he's been able to create and share his art. The canvas of his mind is boundless, and his disability, rather than being a barrier, fuels his creativity. Art is for everyone. Whether you're wheelchair-bound, bedridden, or facing any obstacle that makes traditional art inaccessible, digital art is your doorway. At Soul for Space, we believe in making art accessible to all, bridging gaps, breaking barriers. Soul for Space is your key to this universe of art. Here, you can explore, appreciate, and own a rare blue-chip NFT of space art. Each an exclusive NFT, created with heart and soul, with a deep respect for creative unity. Art is no longer confined to physical spaces. It's a language we all can speak, a shared experience that brings us together. Together, let's celebrate the universal language of art.